Hello family. This video is in collaboration with some of my content creator friends in memory of In the Kitchen with Momma Mel. And so today I'm going to make one of her recipes, taco mac and cheese. It's a simple recipe, and if you do pray, please pray for the family. It's a very sad thing. It was sudden and unexpected. So let's make this in memory of Momma Mel. First thing we're doing is we are cooking up, according to package, 2 boxes of the Velveeta shells and cheese. And while that's cooking, we are going to cook up this hamburger, brown the hamburger. And it was 2 boxes of Velveeta shells and cheese, 1 package of taco mix, and 1 can of the Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 1/4 cup water. That's all it's in it. It's very simple. Okay, this is done, so I turned it off while we're waiting a couple more minutes with the shells. Okay, the shells are done, so I'm going to drain those. No rinsing. Okay, I drained them, but I did not rinse them. Now all we need to do is add the packets. The cheese packets. Okay, we're going to give this a stir. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add, I'm going to turn this back on. We're going to add 1/4 cup water. We're going to add 1 packet of taco mix. I have the original. We're just going to give that a stir. We're going to add it's a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. I'm going to add a little pepper to this. No salt though, because there's salt in the tomatoes and the mac and cheese. I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add the mac and cheese. Simple, very simple. We're going to give this a stir. I'm just running the water in the pan so it's easier to clean. That's what you're hearing, the water running. Oh, this looks good. Smells good too. Okay, this is warmed through, so this is already done. Very quick meal. Let's give it a taste test. Here you go. First bite. It's really hot. Let's try it. Mmm. Why have I not ever tasted this? It's so easy and it's so good. And please visit Momma Mel's channel to help out the family. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.